Hello everybody and welcome back to Fifield Junction, and today I'm going to be showing you a little project that I've been doing on the layout today. There's been a certain unit on the layout that I've wanted to have sound in for a very long time, and today I was finally able to achieve that dream. So here we have the Fast Great Western Class 166 by Bachmann, and today she's finally had a sound decoder fitted to her. Now, you can't actually buy a sound decoder for this particular kind of logo. However, what pretty much everyone does if they want to have sound in one of these particular units is they use a Class 158 sound decoder, because they do sound very similar. So that's what I've done here in this situation. I've fitted a Legoman Biffo Class 158 sound decoder to the centre unit, and I've also upgraded the speaker. So it's now got an EM2 speaker in there instead of the normal speaker that it comes with. So very, very good sound quality now, absolutely amazing. Now, it was very difficult to actually fit the sound into this logo. Although fitting the chip was fine, it's actually finding space for the speaker that was the difficult area. Because obviously, the normal mechanism in this unit is you have the motor in the middle, which goes out into two flywheels, which then goes into two drive shafts, which drives all of the wheels on the centre unit. Now, to create the space to actually fit the speaker, I've had to remove the entire mechanism in one end of the unit. So now there's no drive wheel on one side of the motor, no drive shaft, and no worm gear on top of one of the bogies anymore. So whilst both bogies still pick up, only one of them actually drives now. But there's still plenty of traction there. She might struggle a little bit on corners from time to time, but overall she's absolutely fine. There's still plenty of traction there for her to run very well. If you hold on 1 minute, I will show you everything that I had to remove from the logo. So, the seating in one end I had to remove. And then we've also got the drive shaft and the worm gear. I also removed one of the normal gears in the bogie, free them up a bit more. And then we've got the actual flywheel. So it was quite a lot of work to basically, there was enough room in there to fit the speaker. So I had to get the metal hacksaw out, so I could actually cut through the metal to remove this flywheel. It's quite heavy. So that was a lot of work. I didn't really want to do it, but I suppose just something you have to do sometimes. But it was a very worthy risk, and overall, it's been fine. I didn't do any damage to the model. She's absolutely fine. Nothing wrong with her. So I think what we really need to do is fire her up and get her running, because that's really what you want to see. Obviously, you would have noticed there was two engines starting up there, because obviously the chip in here is technically designed for a 2-car 158, which is why you have the two engines starting up. So I thought I'd just note that now. And there we are, the Bachmann First Great Western Class 166 DCC sound fitted. I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you enjoyed the little running session. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching everyone, bye.